Hi friends, welcome to all. Today I will let you know the new features that is revealed by a WhatsApp. So now you can use a multi-hyphen device beta option. So here use up to 4 devices without keeping your phone online. Now earlier what happened when you are using a web WhatsApp, so your phone must be online, but right now it's not required here. So right now I will show you. Now you can see on the screen here. So let me click on a WhatsApp. Okay, so let's click on here and click on a link device. Okay, so now you can here, you will see here multi-hyphen device beta option. Let me click and here, so you can see here why join the beta. After your device are linked, your phone will be no longer need to stay online to use WhatsApp app on a web desktop on portal. So up to 4 additional device and one phone can be used at once. Okay, so let me click on a join beta, continue. Okay, so now you have joined the beta. Okay, so let me make my device now offline. So I will make a device offline. Now friends, my mobile device is offline. So okay, so now let's test here. So I'm able to send here message or not. So let me send here hi. Okay, so now I am able to send here. Okay, so right now my device is off, my internet is off, but I'm able to send a message here. So thanks all, thanks for watching this video.